Hello, my name is Bill Wilder. In 2012, I published a book with O'Reilly called Cloud Architecture Patterns, and shout out to Rachel. Rachel is my editor. I'd like to turn that idea of cloud architecture patterns on its head, and that's what drove me to my proposed talk for the architecture conference called Cloud Architecture Anti-Patterns. Now, currently I'm the CTO at a born-in-the-cloud company serving the hedge fund financial services space. And before that, I was an independent consultant helping lots of startups, medium-sized and large companies, either build new applications for the cloud, brand new apps, or take existing workloads, tending to be in the larger companies, and move those into the cloud. And I've seen a lot go on in real-world scenarios. The talk is really based on things I've seen in the wild that are the result of very capable architects in the old world, on-prem, not really appreciating some of the subtle differences between architectural assumptions that need to be made for applications running on-prem versus applications running in a public cloud platform such as Amazon Web Services, Google Compute, Salesforce, or the cloud platform I'm most familiar with, Microsoft's Azure platform. So some of these real-world scenarios involve reliability at the data center level, the VM, the cloud service level, and within your own app. Scalability. In the on-prem world, vertical scaling is very common. You might have a server that can't keep up with the needs of the system, so you make the server bigger, you add memory to it, you put it in a faster CPU or whatnot. And often that's a good solution in an on-prem world. It's less likely to work in the cloud. In the cloud, you have a more limited ceiling on how big an individual computer can be, but you can have as many computers as you want. So that drives a different approach to architecture called horizontal scaling, where you have multiple systems working together, but logically they're like one. That's a very important architecture pattern to appreciate. Other topics, telemetry logging, disaster recovery, use of platform services, cost engineering, touch on a number of things, some in great depth, some in more touching on them superficially. Clearly, I'm deeper personally in Azure Cloud than other clouds. I'm running a user group, I'm an Azure MVP and so forth, but this is a cloud architecture talk that applies to any public cloud platform. I hope you like my talk proposal, and I hope you accept it, and I hope I get to speak at your conference. Thank you.